Hello, we hope you are fine. From studio, we can hear the rain here. Here we want to introduce the strap we pair with the series. From Borneo Island of Indonesia, we receive a fine quality calfskin leather strap. Check this out. With 3mm thickness, it shows a strength of the yarn, with a glance of an old timer. It looks outstanding for the series. We will also set the double deployant or the butterfly clasp to come along with the series. Osaka?
大阪
Osaka! かっこいいな. Well, we have butterfly clasp from Osaka, Japan, and this calfskin from Borneo, Indonesia. Let's see them all together. Voila! Griffin Modern won't change the color agenda. Griffin Modern set dark brown to the black series of Kumaharu Tuxedo, as you can see, while silver series of Kumaharu Wave will be matched with the grey strap. So there it is, a Griffin Modern series with a set of straps that will be delivered to your hand. It will swing along with your wrist differently.